Sawadika. My name is or Chef May Kaidi NYC. Today I come to the Sen Saigon. It's Vietnam restaurant. How is the special dishes we want to try today? Is a lot of dishes. You can have spicy. Spicy make you sexy. I like spicy. You know that's why the Asian food. And like the Vietnam, you can add spicy, the label you like high, or you like the label mild. We can do for you everything. So yummy. Are you ready to follow me? Hi, welcome in. Have a sit. I am here at the Saigon restaurant and to meet the chef and the owner here today. Thank you for coming. Exciting to try the food here. I heard about you have a lot of recipes, really popular here. I cannot wait. How you starting the restaurant?
So my husband and I, we both vegan. I was born and raised in Vietnam. At that time, I wasn't vegan or vegetarian. So I grew up eating a lot of great food that my mom and my sister, my auntie cooked with a lot of love. When I grew up and I became vegetarian and then vegan, I miss those flavor of traditional food that I grew up eating. So I went and looked for Vietnamese food, vegan in New York City, but to my surprise, it's a bit hard. And so we decided to open, and right now we are the only vegan Vietnamese in New York City.
I'm so glad to meet you today. We are look like the story really same. I'm the vegan chef also, Mekadi. We know each other. You've been Mekadi before. I've been here before. You have like the good connecting together. We are fairly vegan with everyone. That today I'm ready to try the special from the chef Anne.
Today we make into soup, and those are very special in our menu. One is the pho. In the morning we already did the veggie broth. So we get rid of all of the fruit and vegetables, apple, carrot, all of those, and now it's just the broth. So, and then we put cinnamon and spices. So we make one pho and one is bún huế. This is called satay. It's a very important ingredient for bún huế. Let me get very hot. And then we're gonna put lemongrass in. This is lemongrass. So we mash it to get the flavor out. We have a lot of leaves, but the leaves have less flavor. The root, the body part is where it have a lot of flavor. Yeah. So now we bring all of this and we put it in our pot. We cook it for like an hour. So all of the flavor, spices mix together, and then we will have bún huế. And all of this broth is from fruit and vegetables. One of our best seller right now is a pork belly. So it's frying in there.
And that's tofu?
Yeah, and I'm gonna fry tofu. This is our pork belly. Pork belly bao lâu rồi em? 5 minutes? Okay. A little bit more? Okay. So while that's frying, we're gonna go prepare the bowl. We put noodles in the middle. And then Vietnamese food have a lot of herbs and vegetables, and that's very important for us. They have bean sprout, cucumber, pickle, a little bit more pickle, and this is lettuce and chopped mint and basil. On the top, we sprinkle it with shallot and some peanut, and we put the mint top here. So And I'm gonna go get the pork belly and the tofu. So this is pork belly. You see it's very crispy. Yeah, that's what we want. And we're gonna chop it. Will look like this. We added more tofu for cooking, and then one more step, a little bit of scallion and oil, and a little bit of fatness, and the special sauce. This is the pork belly sauce, and then this is vermicelli with pork belly. So this is our pork belly vermicelli. The pork belly we make from soy rib and coconut milk, and with the special sauce. So this food is very good in summer because it makes you full but not too heavy, and it have a lot of herbs and green and pickles, cucumber. It's our best seller right now in summer.
Yeah, looks amazing. You see, have the peppermint, like the herb also, and also the all vegetable, and mix together. I cannot wait.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
So we recommend you pour the sauce.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, how to eat it? You just put that one right in the top. You see how look nice. Okay, and then you mix together, right?
Yeah.
You must to mix together first. You mix together. Wow, that's the signature of the restaurant. You see, you can have the noodle. You can have the all vegetable and herb together. You see, I mix together, and also special with the tofu, crispy tofu.
Yeah, very crispy.
Crispy tofu and Thai herbs. Wow, that is cold. Look at the cold noodle. It's like I can tell. That's good for summer. That's the menu. Are you ready? I'm ready to try. Yes, so yummy. I cannot stop. So yummy, fresh, sour, sweet and sour. So tastes good. The food so yummy and special. If you want some tea, it's really good, like the Thai tea. With the herb in that. It tastes so yummy, not so sweet. It's so yummy. What is the special the menu today?
So depending on the season, when it's cold, people love our pho and bún Huế. Pho is a staple food of Vietnam, and bún Huế is a lemongrass infused and a little bit spicy. We have so many customers would eat that even though in summer. Right now in summer, people love our sandwiches, bánh mì and vermicelli bowl. Our best seller right now is pork belly bánh mì and pork belly vermicelli that you just ate.
Yeah, it tastes really yummy, and also Thai tea. Thank you so much. I say goodbye, favor of New York. Bye. See you next time at Saigon. So yummy, tasty.